Hello everybody, today we're going to write release notes in the style of Slack, and I'll show you how it's done. In Released, simply go to the settings, click on Artificial Intelligence, and here you have the option to paste two examples of the release notes that you either have written already or that you want to use as an example or template. So in this case, we just copy and paste from Slack a couple paragraphs, like another one. And that's pretty much all we need to do in order to configure this. Now back to our release notes. Let's write a new post. And now we have the option to either do it individually for each of the tickets or just hit release notes, which will create a new post from a template. It includes 4 issues. Now it creates the description for all these issues that we want to include. And then once that's done, we generate an intro and a title. And that's basically it. So you can see the style, how frustrating it is when you can't remember who was last responsible for a task. So you can see the language is already a bit more kind of humorous or fun or lighthearted, just like the Slack release notes. The only thing we need to do here is publish the post, and that's it. That's how you create release notes in the style of Slack. Hope you enjoyed this. See you next time.